What are the most important things you're going to be needing for your 360 photo booth? How much money have I spent? What items have I actually purchased already? Let's go ahead and cover that right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, the budget that I set up for myself is $3,000, and my 360 photo booth already I spent $1,600. Keep in mind, this is the bigger photo booth that holds up to 4 to 5 people. Next item on the list is the Apple TV. You gotta have the Apple TV because you're gonna be streaming the information from your phone using the Apple TV to whatever monitor you're gonna be using. It's nice to have a monitor, that way people can see what's going on. Another item on the list is RGB lights. RGB lights are gonna be the surrounding lights that go around the photo booth. The total of 4 lights, including the tripods. I spent $306.56. Next item is a TV tripod. Definitely gonna need that TV tripod to hold the actual monitor. $65.69. Stanchions. I told you guys on the last video about stanchions on OfferUp for $120. Props. I already spent $31.73 on props. This is like the stuff they're gonna be using, like hats, glasses, and stuff like that. I also bought a Valentine prop since, you know, Valentine's right around the corner. $10.92. Total spent so far is $2,235. We have $765 to spend. I want to use this money primarily on ads and promotions. Hey, so if this information helped you out, like and subscribe. Hit me up with any questions in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. I don't know what that was about.